Hello, AP Human. This is your country project for Miss Beckerman. All right, so we are going to, one of the ways you can get to your project information, the way I'm going to go is readylibrary.com. However, it's probably going to be in Canvas, so you're probably not going to go this way. But just in case you needed to, here's how you're going to do it. So you are going to click on the click here, and this is going to open up into MackinVia. Now, if you are a Reedy student, you are going to log in to MackinVia with Reedy as the school, your 6-digit student ID as your login, and your 8-digit birthday as your password. However, if you are a non-Reedy student, you are going to leave the school blank, and you are going to put ReadyHS for both the login and the password. And your assignment sheet, that information is going to be in your assignment sheet. I need to add that as a matter of fact. So this is what your assignment sheet's going to look like. The MackinVia group is linked here. This video is linked right here. I'm going to talk about your references page, and then I'm also going to do a separate video to talk about sources. All right, so this video is to show you how to use the resources in this MackinVia group to get information for this assignment. So obviously you need things about your country. You're going to need all of these different things here, and so you are going to want to make sure that you have all of this stuff. And so some of this you're going to have to look up, some you're going to get from your teacher, etc. Okay, so you are going to be required to gather a lot of information, and you should be able to get a lot of that information from the sources that I've placed in your MackinVia group. Okay, so some of the information, I'm going to start over here with, actually I'm going to start here. Britannica School. So if you just need some of the basic pieces of information, you may want to use this particular resource. And let's see, I'm just going to put in my country as Uganda. Okay, so I'm going to put in Uganda, and then here is my country. All right, so obviously there's going to be quite a bit of information here. If I wanted to use any of this, I could. If you want to use information from the actual article, you're going to click this cite button here, and you guys are doing APA, so you're just going to copy and paste this. Oh, I forgot to show you. So over here on your this APA references page, this is linked here. It's also linked in your MackinVia right here, so you can click on either one. You only need to do this once. You're going to make one copy of this document, so you can do it from the Google Doc or the MackinVia group, but you're going to click this Use Template. And it's going to make this. This is just an example citation so that you can see what it looks like. Oops. I didn't copy it. When you put what the citations are supposed to look like. So I'm going to copy this information, and I'm going to paste it over here. Oops, except for I'm going to do Control-Shift-V, because then it's going to paste it nice and formatted in here for me like that. So then I'm going to enter down. And so now I can use information from here. Now, let's say that I wanted to use this image right here, okay? The images in here have their own separate citation, okay? And so I'm going to click on citation, and then you'll notice that down here I've got my citation, and it says Uganda image, and then it has the information. So I'm going to take that, and I'm also going to paste it over here, Control-Shift-V, and now I've got that image citation as well. So for any images, you want to make sure and grab the image citation when you're in this database, and really any others, but we're going to talk about that. Okay, so that is Britannica School. That's this one right here. Another place where you can kind of get basic information about your topic is going to be in this high school, Galen Context High School. And so again, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type in my country, Uganda. And you'll notice that right here I've got to read more. So this is just kind of an overview piece of information about my topic, which if you want to skip to this and not do the Britannica School, these are going to be very similar as far as this overview and then what you're going to get over there in the Britannica School. Now down here, you'll also notice that there are some different other resources about Uganda. So I've got 18 reference articles about Uganda. I've got some magazine articles. I've got some images. I've got some news, some video, some audio, etc. So depending on what information I still need and I'm looking for will depend on which one of these I want to click on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the images because I'm going to show you guys how to get images for, or really anything that you click on in here, you're going to do this the same way. So let's say that I wanted, my apologies. Let's say I wanted this image right here. I would click on this and you'll notice that down here it's got my different citation types. So I'm going to click on APA and then I would copy and paste this and put this in my references page over here. There we go. And so now I've got that image in here. And the same thing is true if you are looking, I'm going to click back over here to Uganda. And let's say, you're in here and you want one of these, you want to use there's some information in here for one of your requirements and there's this news article, right? So I am going to click on this article right here. And again, you would do the same thing. You would click on the cite button and grab your APA citation and put that in your references page. Okay. Another quick thing about Gale is you can click this send to Google Drive. And what happens when you click that is it puts a Google Doc version of this article into your Google Drive. So if there's a bunch of stuff in here that you want, you can click that and save it over in your Google Drive. And that is a quick and easy way to save articles as well. Okay, so now, so this news one, this is going to look very similar to Gale, only I don't know if you noticed over there on the news one, there was only a couple hundred, I think, news articles. So I'm going to put in Uganda. Did I spell right? Okay. So now you'll notice in here, there's 452,393 news articles. So a lot more news articles in here. You'll notice there's lots of magazine articles as well, some books, more images, videos. So this is going to be another database that you can, or another resource that you can use for your country for some different pieces of information. I just clicked on this topic finder because I like to look at these sometimes if you're looking, if you're looking for something specific about your country, you can see if there's any specific, articles about that. So maybe, for instance, I want to look at stuff about the South Sudan. So I could click on this and it would give me 2 articles specifically about that. You can also look at it in the wheel. So it just depends on however you want to look at it. So that is the news. Also, we've got ABC Clio here. And so I'm going to just show you one of the ABC Clios because they look very similar. Go, 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 go. And we're going to type in Uganda again. Okay, and so now you'll notice I've got, there's 145 articles in here that reference Uganda. So you'll be able to tell once you start kind of looking, like there's information here about their anthem. There's different things that I can look up. One of the things you could do is click over here on filters. So if you're looking for reference articles, maybe you're looking for facts and figures, I'm just going to click that and click apply. And so whenever you narrow it down with the filter and click apply, now you're going to see articles that mention Uganda and facts and figures. So maybe I'm looking for AIDS deaths numbers, or sustainable development, whatever it may be. I can click on that filter, and then to get rid of it, you just click and then apply. And then you'll notice here that you've got other filters that you can apply if you're looking for anything specific in here. I also like the topic centers because the topic centers, a lot of times you'll notice, like here is Uganda. So if I click on the topic center for Uganda, you'll notice I've got geography. So I've got landforms and climate, natural resources. So a lot of this in the topic centers is going to be great for y'all because it's going to give you specific information about your country in the topic center. So you can see here we've got industry and labor, education, military, national finances, population. So there's lots and lots of information in here for in the topic center for your country in ABC Clio. All right, so that is the ABC Clio World Geography topic center for your country. Going to be really clutch for this assignment. Okay, so the other one that I'm going to show you is ProQuest Culturegrams. And Culturegrams is going to be a little similar to ABC Clio. And then I'm going to find my country, Uganda. There it is. And you're going to be able, when you click on that, you're going to be able to, there's going to be lots of maps. So there's an outline, there's a simple, there's a physical, there's a political, there's a Nat Geo regional map. And these are PDFs. So you can save those to put into your Google site. You've also got the different information pieces here. So you've got population information. What I suggest when you're citing these is if you're going to cite a bunch of stuff from in here, ask Ms. Beckerman, but you can maybe get away with just the homepage citation if you're going to cite a bunch of stuff. However, if you only use one or two things in here, like maybe I rely on this population page, then you can come up here to your APA and copy and paste this into your references page for the specific articles. But check with what Ms. Beckerman wants you to do. If she's okay with just a general citation from here, then that is going to be all the way at the bottom, and you're going to click on that APA. And then this would just be Uganda. You can see that's just culturegrams. And so the other ones, if you get a citation from the pages, it's going to be a citation for that specific page. Okie dokie. So now we're going to click on CIA World Factbook. Now this is not a database in the sense that this is a website, but you can totally come here and search for your country and get additional information that you might need. And so I'm going to click on Uganda, and you'll notice that down here, I can jump to a topic by pulling this down and clicking on a different topic, or I can also click on some of these economy, etc. So I'm going to click on economy, and so now it's going to give me information about that country's economy and lots and lots and lots of information here. So what I am going to encourage you to do on this website is see this little Cite This For Me extension should be on your Chrome browser. If it is not, please email me and we'll figure out why. And actually, I think I may have put, nope, I didn't put it in the MackinVia group, but I'll put the Cite This For Me extension in the MackinVia group, and you can add it if you don't have it added. If you can't add it for some reason, then you can email me and say, Ms. Lambert, I tried to add it, it wouldn't work, blah, blah, blah. So here is the citation for this. And so you can, oh, except for that MLA. We want APA. So I'm going to get this APA citation right here, and I'm going to add that to my references page over here. So because that's not one of our databases, it's a website, you're going to have to use that Cite This For Me to get that citation from there. All right, so that's CIA World Factbook. Okay, so that is your video for your research resources. And now I'm going to talk about sources in a different video. But I did want to point out that if you need music, you're going to use this Megatracks one. And you'll notice that, well, I thought I had the information about how to log into it on here, but it doesn't appear that that is there. Okay, I will make sure and add that to the Megatracks. When you click on the little eye, it should have the information about how to log on to it here. So I'll make sure and add that. Or actually, you know what? Miss Stroop may have put that in your tech information, but maybe not. Either way, I will make sure it's on there, okay? Okay, so that's your MackinVia group. As always, Lions, if you have any questions or you need any help, you can email me. You can walk over and see me if you're in the building. I'm happy to Zoom with you if you need help with any of your resources, etc. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to navigate on the web and evaluate some other resources on the web. So this video is specifically for your MackinVia group. Good luck, Lions!